Hi, welcome back to my channel Kavi Academy. Today I bring the fresh topic bookkeeping. Who they are really interested for accounts of beginners. Please watch my video, like and subscribe my video. Bookkeeping is a most important topic before you go into for accounting or accountancy, because in the bookkeeping only you have to learn that what is a recording, what is a classifying of transaction, what is a business transactions, and how you are recording and how you are maintaining of systematic on book, and how you will be dividing for the how much your expenses and how much your income. So this reason the bookkeeping is a most important topic before you go into for accountancy. See, if you want to drive the car, first you should learn how to should drive for your cycle. In the same way, you want to should guru of accounting means first you should learn for what is a meaning and clear cut the information should collect for bookkeeping. So today I covering for the topics why is important for bookkeeping. Bookkeeping is an overview. What is the process of bookkeeping, meaning of bookkeeping, and the types of bookkeeping. Bookkeeping. Why bookkeeping is important? See, each and every business main aim they want to earn the profit. Without profit, without nil of the profit, they can imagine their business in the future? Absolutely not. The reason bookkeeping can help that how much your expenses and how much your income. When your income should be more compared to expenses, you will get the profit. When your income should be less compared to for expenses, in this case you will get the loss. So focus on the bookkeeping will have the capacity in the business will be whether you're getting profit or loss to find out in for helping. Next, the bookkeeping before we go into for the accounting or accountancy, we will be we will understand to the what is a transaction, how we are recording, how we are classifying, how we are summarizing, and how we are giving conclusion after the business. Clear cut will understand. Again, the bookkeeping should be have the capacity to find out into further systematic of the information, to find out into the all the systematic of the information. So that's the reason before we enter into for the accounting, we will understand to for the basic of the bookkeeping. Next, point number 2, overview of the bookkeeping. Bookkeeping is a recording only business transaction. It's not recording of the owner personal transactions or any charitable transactions or any family members transactions. It's not recording only the business transaction, how much he is received and how much he is and will be done expenses or how much is given. That only business transactions rating in the book of accounts. Next come to the bookkeeping is only accepting of monetary aspects. Means in your business, in how much commercially you are received and how much your commercially has will be done for done expenses are given for others, that all transaction will be accepting, that is monetary aspects. Monetary aspects means the commercially you can exchanging of your exchanging of money, whether you're giving or you are receiving. That means the monetary aspects will accepting of bookkeeping. Next, bookkeeping is a day-to-day transaction. See, bookkeeping have the speciality to recording of day-to-day. Means when you start from the business to for the day close to what and all transactions, how many times you received, how many times you given, how many times you are done for the what expenses, that all will be writing in your book of account. So day to day transaction. Next come to the bookkeeping is the systematically. See, the systematically means what, however will be today's first, tomorrow I can today I did not return, I did not record it, tomorrow I can write means not the day today. Means what, the systematically means what, one after should come two only, but one after should after 10 should is not recording of transaction. So the bookkeeping is a following of systematically. Point number 3. See, every system also we have one process, right? In the same way, the bookkeeping also we have process. see, we have four process of in bookkeeping. First, identifying. What you are identifying in your business, all the commercial activities you will be pick up, all the commercial activities you will taking, and that will be moving to for identifying. What you are identifying means whether will be how much is and will be money spent, whether I spend it for the accurate or not. You are identifying. After identifying that, you will be sending to for the next step, measuring. What is a measuring? Measuring means what I spended of the money and what I get it. It's what is matching. For example, I purchased for 5,000 rupees of goods. That equal of the 5,000 of the value of the good, 5,000 rupees equal goods is there or no? That will be where will be measuring. After measure that, we will be recording. Where you recording? In the book of account, systematic, or in a memorandum. Memorandum is one kind of document of book only. In the memorandum book, through where will be writing, so okay, so and so date, so and so person through I purchased along with the money. So that it is a recording. After recording, we'll posting. Where you posting? Through in accounting. There too will be there you posting. Means for example, journal. See our recording, bookkeeping, after what will come to for in accounting? Journal coming. So in upcoming videos I can say that journal. So there. So it's a posting of to the transactions. Meaning of bookkeeping. Bookkeeping is an art of recording in the book of account all the money aspects or monetary aspects in the commercial transactions. See, in your organization, bookkeeping means however we will keep on book, however we wish will not keep. We will keep on book to name of accounts. We should keep, and we'll keep the one book. In that book we are recording, we are writing to all the monetary aspects. Monetary aspect means what? Money aspects. How much you are purchased today, how much you are sold today, and how much your other expenses, other revenue, all you are writing in the book of account through commercial transaction. Commercial transaction means what? Means some, for example, I purchased goods. Why purchase goods? Because when I purchase goods means I can, that goods is converting into for the finished goods. Again that goods will selling to for others. Means why, what I expected means I somewhere I brought means again I am expecting for somewhere return. So bookkeeping is art of recording. Where recording? In the book of account. In the book of account you recording. What you recording? All the monetary aspects. Monetary aspects will, what will be in there? In commercial transaction. Point number 5. Types of bookkeeping. How many types we have? 2 types. Single entry system and double entry system. Single entry system means simple. It's a replying or recording of transaction. It's one side. Example, you are the customer, you go into supermarket, they will give one slip. Means you will not, as a customer, you will not record, but who will record? Who sold the goods, he is recording. So that's the reason. Simple. A single entry system means the recording of transactions one side is known as single entry system. Come to double entry system. Double entry system is what? It's set of rule. It is set of regulations through. It's set of regulations through we have to maintain accounts. Simple. Saying a double entry system means is set of rule is a recording of the transaction both the side. Both the means who sold the goods and who sell the goods. Both the side we have to record transactions. Is called double entry system.